I want to see 660 again.
I don't know, the way this is acting, I almost want to short short it if it can pop now. Yeah, these orders sitting at 572, 570.
Mm-hmm.
Come on. They're going to knife it. They're going to knife it right now.
Does not look good.
Oh, they're pressing these lows too.
I know, that's what I'm saying.
What's up, guys?
What up, KC?
What's up, Rizzo?
KC.
Anyone catch some of this downside action?
Nah.
Nah.
Well, we caught it all right.
Got caught in it.
Yeah, I got caught
So
in
that
it.
you see that QQQ 5 minute at the high?
Yeah.
Yeah.
You want me to keep looking at it?
Hell yeah. Should bounce right here on SPY and Qs. This was target downside from the sell signal. I'd imagine we get a little bounce right here.
My SPY puts for Wednesday are 35%, but I didn't grab enough of them. Come on, drive it.
Stop trying to bait me back in.
I've already put on my size. I need someone else to take the wheel.
We bounce it a little bit right here. Bounce it. Bounce it. I'm about to look down. What the fuck is this thing doing? There we go.
Oh, don't suck me back in. I don't. The way this looks, I want to short it.
Oh, shit.
Because you lost previous session low, and now you're back testing it.
Come on. These shoot it back to the 6.
At least get like 625. Come on.
It's on 630s at this point.
No.
I don't know why I have 27 cons on right now.
Come on, shoot it up. I'm back in. There we go. Come on, push, 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 push. Give me more than that.
Take a little trim here on the long if you grabbed it. Nice bounce reaction off that area on SPY and Qs.
Give me 25, 30.
Yeah, I'm looking for 30 and 31. Let me out.
What if this is just a short?
Don't tell me that's all we get.
This is some shitty bounce. I'll tell you that.
Hey, it's not done yet.
No, I bought some in the high 70s, and I just dumped them here. I don't care. I just don't like the. It's just like struggling. I think you're right though. I think you get back up to the 9. Shit, maybe not. I don't know.
They're standing on this thing.
Yeah. Well, if you think about the move from the bottom overnight, like it's been a great move. So, what's changed besides the price of oil? That's it. And oil's finding a little bottom here. Oil's about to close in 2 minutes.
10 minutes to that hourly close. What is it? Yeah, that didn't look good.
Not ideal. Pretty lackluster bounce. Yeah, it just doesn't feel good. Which is why I sold the call spread at the highs. I'm going to take it off up
Hell yeah.
80%. Probably can't even get out of it.
I think we close our eyes for the next 5 minutes and pray.
That strategy you've been employing quite a bit recently.
Yeah.
It works
This
sometimes.
morning- Avoided
honestly.
this morning too.
Just do it. You know what?
There's something to catch a bid. What are we doing?
Yeah, there's a yes. I knew. Do it. At least got some. It's trying. It's gonna go up to 30. It'll go right back to 20s.
Can the
Watch.
video get back through here?
It's gonna go up to 20s. Watch. ES will go to 10, 12, whatever that is. It'll be the spot.
Google
It's gonna go
NVIDIA.
back 10, 11 points. Where's the button? Fuckers. Didn't get enough. I got some. I'm out at clean. Now I got some runners in profit.
Come on, push through and start running these stops.
Come on, 15 more points. Pop it.
Question is, do you short it? I don't know.
No, we take some off, say our thanks, and then pray again.
I like that.
Oh my god, they're edging me at this 9.
Now they're just stuffing it just on the offer. I might have to join them. And it's just not worth me being in now 30 lots.
No, probably not.
You can't give me 25? Come on. Oh my god.
All right, took off 2/3 of it.
All right. Well, now that Rizzo's out of the way, we can actually get a pop. Wait, who is standing on a cat's tail?
Damn it. Here's
Yeah, I
the
got to
ES
trim at
comp right
25.
here.
Yeah, I got to trim at
Trim.
25.
Trimmed.
Yeah.
Trimmed on ES. 9 points.
It's just
I
chuck
got runners break even from 0.0050.
Got a 588 average now.
They did an Instagram reel vertical. Horizontal, horizontal they did. So it's if you look it up, real estate cinema. Let me see, real estate.
Damn,
Frankie, we can hear
Frankie
you.
was on that Instagram.
Frankie's on TikTok over there.
Share to Diane.
You got
Hot
that mute
mic
button on.
ranked.
Yeah, I got him.
There they smacked it. There it was 11.
I
This is
flipped it short on MNQ.
On
It's
TikTok.
risking some
Dirty
profits.
dog right against the 20. You hit that 28, 29. Oh, there it was. 7 points higher. 10 points.
Is that all they're going to give us? Come on.
I don't know. This 9's going to be. They got to give you a little more, I think, but maybe not.
I mean, I got to 625. I got a little bit off, but
I just averaged down like I was in the 80s, just hitting them. The buy, I had my average was at like 96, so I just took most of them off. I just got runners.
Damn, gold with the really small RTH range today.
Yeah, gold didn't go nowhere. Volatility in gold came in a ton too. Because I got a strangle in there in GLD.
come on, oil fall. Where's SPX? Are we back? Oh, we're just gonna chop here, aren't we? Stupid. What music am I hearing? Is it Rizzo's?
Playing it too loud.
So I can hear it in one ear, not the other. But I don't know. Part of my gut is thinking that Casey's on this short the pop.
This is the first short I've taken all day for futures. Other than that, I was nothing but long. So
See
we
ya.
got some profits to play with. So I'm just looking to see what happens here, because I think if we reject and fail this spot here, we see probably a really good move down into
Big,
the
yeah.
close. If they reclaim this area, though, really tight stop, we're still bullish. I'm fine with that. But this would be the spot where if they decide to fail it and sell it back down, it gets just ugly into the close.
I
That
mean,
wouldn't surprise me.
sectors. Don't
Oh,
You're about to get an hourly
Come
close in
on.
20 seconds.
let me
Did-
cover
did the-
some here.
Oh, they got close on the banks. Dude, the 5-minute candles on XLF look like Renko charts. Like, just look at XLF on the 5-minute. The last, 45 minutes looks like Renko bars. Mags. They're holding okay.
Covered a little. Let's see.
Where's your hourly close?
Do we get on the bid again?
That was previous day low on QQQ at the bottom of that previous 5-minute candle. It's the reason why I trimmed.
Come on, give me 640.
They push it above 599.
Come
I'll
on,
just stop with
push.
the rest.
There we go. Okay. There's your 21.
21. Can you do something for me?
I'm about to trail my way back out here before I give up gains for no reason.
That's a smart decision.
I'm gonna just hit my entry and let's see what they want to do.
This is right at the halfback of the entire range. Probably where I don't want to be in a trade.
I wouldn't be opposed to this trading down to like 460, 450.
Personally, I hope we go higher. I hope we don't flush.
If it
I
goes
would love
high,
for
I'm
this to get-
I'm swinging for the fucking fences.
SPX didn't fill the gap. It came close,
It was 1 point short on yes. I don't know what it was on SPX.
like $5.
5 point. Okay.
So, like tomorrow, I would like to see us be trading higher than this.
I mean, you could say this 5-minute, maybe a little head and shoulders from like 10:35, left shoulder, head, right shoulder forming now. Zoom out a little. More on ES though.
I don't know. Yes, go back to previous day's low and get a little pop here. Oh,
What's goody?
Jordanian.
Good afternoon. Oh, we're
Hello,
finally
sir.
I'm finally on the same time as market.
Yeah, I'm
actually
not
liking
happy.
it. You're not happy? I actually like it. I've had too much time in the morning. Like too
This is
much
the
time.
first-
I wake up at 6 a.m., 5:30, 6 a.m. I got too much time. 10:30 market open. 9:30.
Too much sauce.
Yeah. Get on spaces at 9 now. It's perfect.
What So you is this the first time you've ever been on Eastern time?
I mean,
Or, like,
living on
trading?
it, yeah. I mean, I've like traded on it a few times when I'm traveling, but like actually living, yeah. I guess besides staying with Sam and Cade for a month when I did, because that was Eastern time. That
Oh
was
yeah,
in-
like I forgot about that last
yeah.
time.
But besides that, I mean, yeah. Yeah,
I think it's gonna get stuffed right here. I don't
What's
want
up,
it
chat?
to
What's up, chat?
chilling.
Give me the loot.
What are they doing?
Oil went freaking nuts. That was wild
Yeah,
to
tell
wake
me
up
about
to,
it.
and then it came
Ooh,
all back in. Yeah,
nah.
Will, you all right, bro? I was thinking
Bro.
about you.
I was swimming last night when I started to see these calls going. I'm like, bro, this oil just went open at like 98 and then ran to 120. I was like, oh my god.
Speaking
I'm like,
of,
could
it's
they
getting
run this
drugged
to
right now.
150? My money get freaking auto closed.
This rug on oil should help us in the market. Look at this new low of day. Rizzo, stop clicking buy on my computer. That's just stay on your own. Do it.
Yeah, I wiggled my way out of oil. It was, I mean, I was only down, I think last night I was down 30 grand, but I cut that by about 80%.
Shit.
I'm almost back to unchanged. I just
Oh,
got.
I got 640. Okay, I got to trim. Now we're getting better.
Y'all see Tesla?
Tessie?
See where she dropped into? Been waiting for the spot. Previous month lows.
Ah,
So now we're defending them pretty well. We swept them. I wouldn't mind if we traded a little deeper below them for a little bit, but either way, I'm starting to look to the long side on some swings. I probably won't be doing options. I'll probably just stick with leverage ETF, but TSLG.
Dude, sold
But yeah.
sold to 350 calls last night. They're up 60% now. One day.
Ooh, nice.
That's good. Finally.
I'm gonna go ahead and trim again here just to de-risk this thing.
But yeah, we haven't seen these lows on Tesla since November 2025. So big spot being swept. I'm curious if this is a potential low for it, and we do the same thing that we did previously. We kind of chopped and we dropped to the lows like we just did, and then ran to the highs. Although I would have liked today to be a little bit like, I don't know, nastier, I guess, through that area. Clearly, like taking out people that are below that low, but
Wall Street Journal's reporting Saudi Arabia started shutting down oil fields. It's the current headline coming out, which is opposite of what price action's doing, but headline's the headline.
started to build long position in Tesla when it was trading 381, 385. Yeah, I like it off these lows. We'll see if we get like actual further confirmation.
All right, I'm out. I just stopped out in profit.
Done playing around.
We hit that
Right.
previous session low on yes. It's probably a short.
There was a good bounce there in ES though from that level. I set at 0150. It was good 10 points. Even
I
more.
mean, it could
actually.
just be that headline that made us wick back down, but let's see where I'm at.
Is oil catching a bid? Not really, but
Well, that's what I was saying. Is like opposite of. the
there was a
headline.
little bit of a wick there on oil. It did spike up on like the 1 minute, but only like $1. Not much. And then it gave it up.
Still, the oil's still drilling.
I can't believe is oil down? Almost oil's gonna go down on the day. You watch.
That's
do we
what I'm
got, an
waiting
hour
on.
left? Or no, oil just closed. Or no, 2:00. 2:00 Central. That's right.
If it goes red on the day, I'm posting it because every expert last night
150 coming soon.
150 coming soon. 100's the new floor.
15's coming before 150.
What'd you say? 15?
50.
I like it. Oh, 50. I thought you said 15. I'm like, Rizzo, that's a little bearish.
he said 15. I'm just trying to help. When he says 15, he means 50.
No.
Just helping.
Listen, I
translate.
put out there. I think oil. I'm gonna tell you right now, oil will trade back in the 50s at some point this year. And it will be before the midterm elections. You bet your ass.
I am really thinking about this short.
Really?
Yeah.
Looks like a. Could you be a little bear flaggy on like the 5 minute?
Well, Microsoft's
I
not
added
doing any favors.
more.
Well, I mean, you have your
Google-
wrist spot.
Google looks okay though. Meta does not. Amazon nothing, and Broadcom's perking back up.
Nvidia is trying to perk up. You need Microsoft to perk, and you'll be okay.
I almost wanted to take a perk last night when oil hit 120. I'm like, oh my god.
Percocet, Molly Percocet.
Chase shit.
Never chase a bitch.
Mask off.
Mask off.
God, I just feel like there's gonna be
Molly
like more
Percocet.
headline risk overnight. That's what I feel like is coming. There's gonna be some ramped up rhetoric or some nonsense, and they're gonna take oil back to the upside.
2 cups. Toast up with the gang. From food stamps to a whole nother domain. Jug houses looking like Peru.
Pretty good taste in music there.
I love it. Hey, top off. That's a liability. Hit the gas. Boosted my adrenaline.
Emp gets so happy when he isn't in a trade.
Hey, you gotta lock in.
Oh,
You've been
I wish
locked in
I had
this morning?
so much shorter oil. Hindsight's always 20/20, isn't it?
Yeah, oil looks like it wants to keep dropping, but it is at yesterday's or whatever Friday's high now.
At the beginning of the session, like this morning, I sold the 185 calls for 220. They're trading for 90 cents now.
Yeah, there you go. Be the casino. Be the dealer.
Yeah, that's good. It's all green. Just had to take a lot of heat in the process.
No, a week ago,
Yeah, Friday. It was not
that,
good to
deal,
be the casino.
that dealer got fired.
The casino is closed.
Come on, give me back up to 650. I want to go get some lunch.
This is kind of why I just tightened up my stop. I was like, I'd rather just go grab some food.
I was thinking about it, but then I added back 10 more, and I was like, oh shit.
I mean, I could have just sat in it, but I just don't like yes underneath previous day's low. Because this could turn into a little head and shoulder right here.
Yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking. It could be intraday head and shoulders. Shoulders.
I am flat.
But if oil keeps falling, I think the market keeps going up.
I just traded oil for the first time. I'm in a short. This is stupid.
What do you trade? Micros? Micro CL? Micro code
No.
rate? Is that-
No,
No, you're trading the big dog.
I'll show you a screenshot here in a second. I'm just watching this candle come in right now, looking at my P&L. Never traded oil before. Never traded oil before.
Well, be
First-
careful because
first-
if you would have traded it last night, you'd have got smoked.
Here,
First-
ready?
First time I traded CL, I was down like $400 something like when I entered.
Yeah.
Last night, when when it's moving $5 at a clip, like
Dadgummit.
It's crazy.
It's 670, 680 now, Rizzo.
Yeah, got my trims off though. No,
Well,
was the
ES is
spot.
still rejecting the same spot though. I don't know. I'm gonna go grab some food before I.
oil
Jump
just
into another
filled
trade
the
and lose
gap
money.
from Sunday night's open.
I just closed the short. Will, I'm gonna send you a screenshot in the Discord. Look.
All right, let me see.
God, I want oil to go just red so
you put on a
bad.
20 lot in oil, you're insane. I'm just kidding.
You didn't tag me. Now I gotta go find it.
Yes, sir. Let's go. Good trade.
I have my stop at break even 620. I'm gonna go microwave something.
Yeah, I like to close it here.
Oh, I see it.
Nice job.
That was stupid.
It.
I'm in similar spirits, but it was coming from a not a good place. I just covered down to this, but that's what I got left. I'll post it in there. This is in micro. I had the big ones, which are still significantly up from where they were.
Lockheed Martin. There's some kind of lawsuit. Headline on the wire.
Or Snipo when you need them.
Ooh, Will, let's go.
Yeah, that was still
Nice.
snorkeling. I was at one point I was down about 29 grand last night. It was not good. I was like, oh my god, this keeps going up. But then I was just like, you know what? I gotta short it up here. I have to.
Double down.
Well, it's up 15% on Friday and up 30% overnight. I'm like, there's no way. Like, gotta get some type of correction relief. But now you're back to the this is the trim spot because this is Sunday's open. Or I'm sorry, Friday's high. Excuse me.
Oh, NVIDIA 180. Pump through 650 here. You should sit 670. ES can get over.
Yeah, watch oil here, making a little bit of a bid off that low. I'm gonna trim this and just reevaluate. I don't need another overnight headline. I've snorkeled enough for one night. I have to say, I scrambled out of that as best I could. You know what the problem was? Too much size, too early. It's always
Too
the
much
problem.
sauce.
Too much size.
Seems to always be my problem. I never have the other problem. I'm never like, dang, I didn't put enough on.
No, it's always like I probably should have started with a lot lighter position.
I'm always like, bloop, 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 bloop,
Going
bloop,
full-
bloop, bloop.
Trying to full port it. What did I say? Size kills. I mean, I will tell you though, the one trade I will do for the rest of the year, once this does calm down, I think you can sell calls way out of the money in oil for the rest of the year, and I think that will be a great trade because they're going to keep the premium juiced in there if anything flares up, and I think once it's kind of over, you can just keep.
Because it'll just be a slow fade more than likely.
It'll be a slow fit. They'll keep the premium bid though, just in case. That's kind of how they did it with Russia Ukraine, but. I did that after that for like the rest of that year. I just kept selling premium way out of the money, and it worked out for the whole year. Like if they're gonna give me $300-$400 a contract to sell premium at the 200 strike, I'm taking it.
I'll take it. I'll take it. Come on, just give us a big old drizzy candle. Just rip
Man,
this
this bounced so much further than God damn it. Shouldn't have cut that. We got impatient down there. We should just
I got
Rizzo
right impatient.
and
Yeah, I got impatient getting into it.
damn it, Rizzo.
'Cause I had the two spots. Rizzo played it right because he played the first one, the stop out, and the second one.
Yeah.
I should have waited
That was
for Rizzo's first stop out to get in.
I like that
Usually
spot.
my
That's
rule of thumb.
6701. That was the previous high from the overnight session. The Globex session was 6701.75 in ES. That's where I originally got long. I mean, I made in ES and then I kind of scratched out of the NQs. So still profitable, but could have been
The
better.
back test there on SPY for that long, we were coming down for what I had pre-market high on TradingView around the 5:30 a.m. Eastern high, and
There
then
we go.
That's what I was saying. Yeah.
Popping? Getting popping?
There we go.
Damn it,
598
Rizzo.
on Qs.
I should have chased it all the way in.
IWM's a tad bit stronger than SPY and Qs on this.
Yeah, IWM. I think I put that in the Discord this morning. That 645 level, I thought was a good spot. Look at
Yeah.
SMH now.
It recovered a little bit, didn't it?
Oh yeah, I said it right out of the gate. I said, look at SMH at that 575. It's 386, $10 off the low, $11 off the low.
Nice. I know there's a lot of green on my watch list now.
There's your back test of Friday's close, the gap fill on Qs. All right, I'm gonna go grab some snack or something.
Snacking.
But gotta shut my face or something.
Ooh. Ooh.
Shoving food down my throat right now.
Look at that candle.
Yeah, I'm getting out of some of this oil. I can't be sitting in all this crazy. I'm still slightly down on the big crude, but the micros I got worked my way out of.
Is that a headline wick? What's going on? Look at this. Want to see this
Well,
candle on
wicked and
Qs?
slammed it.
Yeah.
What
So I'm like, does anyone not? Am I the only one seeing that candle? How quick that
No, I
thing
see
shot up and then flipped straight back down?
That
That candle was a big green candle all the way up over
Commander of
600.
here, hold on. Commander of Iran's aerospace force. From now on, missiles with warheads lighter than 1 ton will not be launched. But that would seem it would be positive. With lighter than 1 ton. Oh well, not. Oh, so they're saying they're only going with bigger missiles. Is that how I interpret that?
Yeah, you say they're only sending big guys now? Is that what I just said?
They're sending out the big guns.
Iran?
Yeah, thank God I closed some of that oil.
Iran's aerospace force. From now on, missiles with warheads lighter than 1 ton will not be launched.
Well,
Yes, sir.
I
We
traded oil again.
To the long side.
Yeah, I'm up like 2K. Hold on, I'm gonna get you a screenshot.
You get out of there.
Dude, this is stupid. This is dumb. All right, I'm out. Look at this. This is dumb.
Put the stop at break even.
Look at that wick on spine cues. I saw that rejection and it flipped red. I was like, okay, is oil popping? And I was like, oh, yeah. it
Yeah,
is.
oil is popping right off that low.
I wasn't here. I took this right before I sold.
Oh,
I
nice.
I doubled it that time, and then I
Dude,
sold. I sold two. I sold
Dude,
two, and then it
I'm
popped
gonna
up
tell you
higher.
right now, like you don't realize how out of control just a 5 lot can get with the way oil's moving. Like, dude, all of a sudden that thing rips like you could rip $5, dude. You'd be down 25 grand.
Look at the candle it just got right now. I wanted to see if I can take it to.
All right, don't trade any more oil. You're locked in for the day. That's it. That's enough. Have a nice day.
I think I saw Tradeovate now has a lockout feature.
It does. I did see that manual lockout. Just take yourself out the game. It's pretty.
Yeah,
funny.
let me see where it's at. How do I find that? I probably should hit the button. I don't see it if it's at top near where your accounts and P&L are at.
Oh,
Application settings. Also haven't closed out this tab, so I'm not sure if I gotta restart.
like one. I sold the 275 calls last night for 70 cents. The 275s out to April. Think about that. That's insane. That's $700 a contract premium at the 275 strike.
Fucking oil! Look at that candle. Oh,
Yeah, 94.20.
yeah, 94.2 is what I wanted to hold it until the back test this area. That was a hell of a freaking. I
There's
should
a headline on
probably
Beyond
do
Meat right now.
MGC, or not MGC. Michael Colgate.
Beyond Meat has something back at Starbucks, is what I just heard.
What? So they're getting a pop?
That doesn't sound good. Beyond Meat in my coffee.
You know, the best part is when you got multiple accounts and you're like, you put one trade on that one's too early in that one, and then you go to the next one, like, I should have waited for that level. And that works out in the second account. I should have full ported those puts in SMH. Sell the puts, entire account till Friday. What's the worst that can happen? I still like, does that headline mean they're only going to launch the big boys, or they're going to stop? They're going to soften it up? So they're only going to launch freaking 3-ton bombs? Like, what does that even mean?
Yeah, that is a little wild.
Yeah, oil can get spicy.
Think about shortening it off the freaking 21 right here.
Which one? SMES?
No, oil.
Oh, now you're going to be an oil traders. I'm
Off
an oil
94.50.
Yeah, maybe go to the micros. Dude, you get a big wick candle like $3, or just run you over. I'm talking from experience.
Been there before.
Yes, sir. I did though last night. I'm like, as soon as I saw that first drop, I'm like, dude, I'm shorting this with some aggressiveness, and that was the right move. I just don't know what I want to do now.
Here, what if I buy 2 other accounts?
And just full
And-
put oil on those.
Yeah. And just see if I can just pass them like right now.
Can you trade oil in there? We'll let you. I don't know.
Here, let's go find out. Hold on.
I don't. For Apex, you're saying?
Yep.
All right, I'm willing
Let's
to
see what
try.
we can do.
I don't think you can.
Let's do Apex 100Ks. It's either 100 or 150s. Let's do 2 Apex 100s, like 40
Oh, yeah?
something bucks a piece.
Code Wolf X would work really well over there.
When I blow it and I have to redo this, I'll use Code Wolf.
I'm gonna do it too. Fuck it.
They got 1 day pass right now.
I gotta
There's a,
pass. I got 2. I gotta pass. I'm up like 2,500 in the 100K account right now. Can you
What's
trade
the
oil though?
Yes, you can. Someone just said yeah.
Yeah, you can.
I don't see a. When I click on it. Oh, it's the wrong contract. That's why. CL. Oh, there we go.
What's the profit target on?
I did put that
these
other
100Ks?
headline. Shout out to this user generic person, but that was the other headline that did come
Short
out.
it right
just a few
here at like
seconds ago.
95 against that high. You could try it.
What's the profit target
Oh,
on these
look at this.
100K accounts?
Look at this 15 minutes, a little concerning on oil.
Ooh, I just scalped some right there for a quick 150. Dude, it moves fast.
Oh, it's got to be what, like $4 grand?
It was a quick $11. 11 points. What's up? It's 6,000 for
6,000.
for 100K or yeah, and then
Yeah.
3,000 for 50, and I think 9,000 for 150.
All right, so let's make a few grand real quick. What are we doing?
I think you got to try to go to 95.55. That's probably the move. If this doesn't, yeah, there you go. You're gonna run through it. So look to short 95.55.
It does stop trading in 30 minutes. That is correct.
Yeah,
I want a timer. I have to pass these 2 brand new accounts in 30 minutes by full porting oil. Is that what we're doing?
I don't think.
Bro,
Can
you
you
can
pass them? You
pass
don't
it.
get consistency
You can
though.
pass it in 10 seconds, no?
I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna hit 55s. Is what I'm hitting.
You going short right here?
I'm gonna short them at 55. 95.55 if I can get it against that high.
How many contracts?
5 lot.
Oh, damn.
But I'm gonna scalp them. I'm gonna try and just
Damn,
Oh.
son.
10, 12.
Oil looking rippy though right now.
So look at this 15 minutes. This
I don't know.
Whatever. If it blazes through it and takes me out, it's whatever. Start another account.
He's cool.
Cheers. Listen,
right.
I was in a cash account last night, swimming underwater for a small used car.
We're in, Will. We're in.
What'd you hit him at 40s?
Yeah, I gave myself room to add.
I have him at 55. I was hoping
you
we
guys are gonna
high.
you guys are gonna make me have to put like a 1 minute chart up or a tick chart on oil where you guys are scalping.
I just. Oh, it moves so fast. Look, there's 40, 50 cents right there.
I'm up $600 right now on this short. Oh, 1,200. Oh shit! What the fuck?
Here you go.
Holy shit!
Trim it at 76.
No, I'm not trimming. I can't trim. I have to pass it. I have to pass this account. Look, I'm gonna get you a third screenshot. Look at this. Watch him flip this candle red. I'll trim it the second it flips red. Ready? 3, right there. Boom.
There it is. 76.
All right. $1,700 locked in. Let's go. Come on.
Oh my god, I should have had some starters. in
Come
there.
on,
Isn't
Will.
Tactics.
Isn't the settle like right now?
Come
No,
on, Will.
God damn it.
Oh, dude, this is
Meanwhile-
stupid.
Meanwhile, I think ES may want to go fill this gap.
There it is.
Well,
Not in the form yet. I just got limits. How much
Hold on.
size did you do?
Too much. I'm up 3K right now. I'm already halfway there. Hold on. Come on. I kind of want to close it and be like, okay, we're halfway there.
Probably should.
Yeah.
You can get it back to like 4
We're
days,
halfway
maybe.
there.
Go on. Go on.
Oh,
Look. Bring it down.
living on a prayer.
They're gonna get you for breaking the rules or whatever they
Just
have.
for the record, they are trying to pass eval accounts right now, just so everyone knows. This is
Yeah.
not like
I didn't get in. I missed it by like 5 ticks. I'm pissed. Oh, I had limits at like 52, 53, all the way up to 60. And I think the high tick, what was the high tick of that bar?
It had to be like 45.
I think it was 47.
All right, I'm out. Look, Will, look at this. Here.
No, you,
Look.
God, Savage. He's an oilman, oil salesman. Let's see. Waiting.
Dude, watch it. Freaking still rug. And at, oh, not the at symbol. At Will. Those are the 200K accounts I just bought. Look.
what's
Nice.
crazy. What's crazy is
Perfect.
if you just look at a 5-minute chart, anybody that's just looking at this is like, how in the hell is there that much action in this one little chart here? Even if I go to like the 1 minute, you're like, what in the hell is this? But it's because of
that.
how crazy oil is.
Yeah,
and
but
how
like
much it's
oil
worth
moving
per-
just moved
It's
$4
$100
off
per
the
tick.
low.
Ooh,
Yeah.
NQ.
There we go, baby.
Big stick across the board here.
Oh! Big sticks. Holy shit. All right, we're long and NQ. Let's
Back to
pass
the-
this account.
Yeah, back to the real markets.
That was fun.
Dadgummit, I could have
Oil's
held
getting
for
bid up.
700.
There you go. Yeah.
Well, we don't want to see oil going up with the market because one of those is not going to stay.
All right. Yeah.
One of these things just doesn't belong here.
I shorted again here on this
I'm
wick.
big. I was just put it up. Yes. It's like I'm short oil again. Full port.
Here it goes. It's probably gonna go back to 93, 60.
Oh shit. Oh shit.
Trump
93.80.
is reviewing options to curb energy prices per Reuters exclusive.
Will.
Sell it.
No, I just covered. Hold on. Okay. All right. There we go.
No, don't wake back up. Go down.
No, they just talked me out.
I want to see it hit 87.
It was like $1,000 in like seconds. Oh, I have to take another trade. It went to 1996 on the accounts. I have to get over 2,000.
Go down. No. Still in here.
Nice
the
trade,
trade.
dolls. Nice trade. It was CES 10 points away from filling the gap.
Don't do it. Go down there. Go tags 93.86.
Ooh, AMD. New highs. Ripping.
EM Dizzle.
Oh, they're gonna buy it back up, aren't they?
I'm thinking about longing it.
I don't on AMD.
No, oil.
Well, oil. Well, Trump just said they're.
I think that headline came out. It hit the wire again, but that headline
Really?
came out this morning.
Oh, okay. Mm.
Well, if I take another trade and make $1,000
$5 on
Yeah,
the
so-
copy trade. It's passed.
Yeah,
We're
but
at
what about the
4,
consistency?
4K right now.
50% consistency?
Oh, I got no idea.
I think so. So you'll have to do.
I thought there were 1 day to pass on Apex.
This is yeah.
Is it?
Yeah, the ones that I just did, they should be 1 day to pass. Now, once you're funded, I think it's 50% consistency.
Oh, no way.
If I'm not
I didn't
mistaken.
know that.
Why do you?
That's why all the influencers buy like 20 counts at a time, copy them, and just full port them,
Yeah. What do you think I'm doing right now?
I thought
just
there
so
was-
they can
I thought
get
there was
just so they
some
can get funded.
rules. Like a Tradeify, you gotta have the consistency rule. I guess not. Maybe not. I guess I just assumed. Then yeah, we should be full port.
But you do have a consistency once
once
you
it's
get funded.
funded. Yeah.
Mhm. Yeah, 50%.
And I would just say for the average person, this is not how you should
No.
be going
No,
after.
this is for just fun. We're just we're hanging out.
Yeah.
Don't do that.
Okay, I'm over 2,000 per account now. I hit that long.
You got long?
I did. I just sold it real quick. All right, cool. I don't know. This is kind of crazy.
It's definitely crazy. I really wanted that 95 top tick. I didn't get, or 55. I didn't get filled. Shook me out. Now I think if it goes up there again, it's probably going to run through it.
Mm-hmm.
That's what I think will happen. Well, I might get a couple more Apex accounts if that's the case.
Yeah, I just did these two.
Got to use Colt
Alright.
Wolf. You know what I'm saying?
Wolf X.
Wolf X. Sorry.
It's code Wolf literally everywhere else but Apex. We got a couple other ones. We got Lucid. And I'm working on another one. We'll get all that updated.
How do I add it?
Fuck it,
Apex.
baby, we ball.
What do you do? End of day trail?
Yeah,
You did 100Kers or 150s?
I did 100Ks for these ones.
Full port. Oops, credit card. Wolf X.
Why do I just picture Jordan as like skimboarding right now? And he'll show back up here in about 20 minutes. Hair will be a little wet.
Oh, that's fucking great.
Keegan bingo. I'm working on it.
Alright, how much time we got? An hour. Alright, give me 720s and then 780s, 790. Our next targets.
Yeah, so the WTI did settle 94.77. $67.50 SPX. Well, I mean, your gap fill is to 40. So I don't know. It depends how you want to approach that, but it does look pretty good. I mean, I have oil futures everywhere. I mean, what do yeah? I mean, here's the thing: do I put Nasdaq in oil? Do I put Nasdaq in ES? Do I put? I mean, there's only like so much. Like, if I put too much on the screen, then it gets too small for you guys to see it. Unless you guys are watching us on like a 49-inch screen. Nasdaq oil. Is that what you guys want to see? I can take you. The only thing I wanted to watch was this gap fill in ES right here. So one thing we haven't hit yet, but I can put a. And this is what Frank was telling me to do last night.
IWM hitting equal highs. Same retest of previous day and week low.
What's up, Andrew? Welcome to the channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Give us a like. Get us out there in the algo. Glad you're here. I think you'll be pleasantly surprised. We have an incredible group of traders that come on all throughout the day. And then the chat has some low-key absolute assassins that are trading, watching so many different things, getting news, all kinds of great stuff there. Glad you're here. Shout out to Andrew. 350 plus people hanging out with us this afternoon. Once again, make sure you subscribe to the channel. We do this for free all day, every day. We also have stuff going over on X, or Twitter as some people still call it. And then big shout out to the crew. Some of us are stuffing our faces with lunch right now. You see Casey sitting up here. Will's been with me most of the day. Rizzo hanging out. And Jordan sliding in here as well. Andrew bought the dip on the oil. There you go.
Tesla new high a day.
Tommy wants a free account to hit the like button. All right, I'm almost done eating and we'll be back. We got 15 minutes till power hour. This time thing is screwing me up. This is an awesome comment, Casey. This is a full circle comment. Look at this. Is that not so cool?
That is. I love seeing stuff like that. I appreciate that. Sadie was one of the greatest people on X whenever I first started. He's one of the most intelligent people that I know. Great trader. So he's definitely taught me a lot. So anything that I can share and continue to pass on, hopefully continues to help other traders as well. So I appreciate you saying that.
I feel like oil could. What's oil going to do now?
I'm long.
Yeah, I think that's the move. I want to take it back up to like 96 bucks maybe. Full pour 5,000. All right, I bought another 2 accounts, so
Let's go.
Need to pass.
All right, here we go. Back over 700. Let's go
Dudes are popping.
750 and let's go 772. Finish that golden retrace. Options versus
Ooh.
futures. What and how do I trade them? Boy, that's a lot to unpack.
Don't start.
Future-
Pick
futures
which
is
one you wanna
just
do.
really linear. So like you don't have to worry about all these Greeks and the extra stuff. Options, look, personally, I think there's times where options fit much better, and there's times where futures I think fit much better, just depending on kind of a scenario. It's a lot easier to learn futures first. And then obviously, like if you're trading individual names themselves, you'll want to learn some options there as well. Honestly, if I don't know how new you are, Matt, but if you are looking for if you're just trying to get your feet wet, you don't want to put like a bunch of your own capital at risk. I would also say like one of these prop firms is a good way to kind of risk a little bit of money to learn instead of blowing up your own money. The first one you see on the screen that says Vanquish is one of the only prop firms that does options that I know of. So you can go to Vanquish, and there should be I think there's some links down in the description below, but it's Vanquish Trader is what it's called. But you can use code Wolf over there, get the best discount, and do options. And then obviously, if you want to do futures, we have plenty of different futures options. The reason I say that for the prop firms is just because if you're learning, the best way to learn is to risk $100, a couple $100 with a prop firm, then putting $5,000 or something of your own money in there and blowing that up. So I don't know where you're at, but that's what I would say. But yeah, options have a lot more Greeks and futures a lot more straightforward. But futures are going to be like a 1-for-1 on the return, like the point value, no matter what. Options, you have expanding volatility that can actually be a lot better return. So hopefully that helps.
If you do options at all, I would definitely start with very basic stuff like, doing put and call spreads, and that's just where I would start. I wouldn't do anything more advanced. Definitely don't be swinging calls or swinging puts. Like that's not that's not how I would. But options do give you more time to be right. Like if you have a consensus or a view or directional base on something you want to happen, it gives you more time. I would not start with 0 DTs. That's probably not the way.
I don't understand why anyone would buy 0 DT options when futures are available.
Yeah, right.
Yeah. Well, I mean, it just depends on your trading style, I guess. I mean, I could understand the counter argument, but if you're newer, I 1000% agree with you. But if you're a scalper, like the way Sim trades, for example, where you just get that expanded, I mean, you're risking 100% for hundreds of percent, type of upside. Like I get it, but you need to be very experienced to be able to get to that level. Futures, I feel like, is a lot easier to have that type of hit rate on it.
I think for
day trading 1 year is what Matt says. So yeah, so here's the thing, like if you're doing options, KC has a very what I would say like beginner to intermediate friendly method. And honestly, it's probably my favorite method. He goes out, 3 weeks usually on his contracts, even on his like if he's going to do a day trade, you're still going out like 1 to 2 weeks, right, Casey? I don't want to speak for you, but
No.
situational. But
yeah, lately because of volatility for SPY and I'm more in scalp mode, I'm usually taking next week contracts. So for like day trades, so like for example today for QQQ, down there at the lows, I'm not buying this week expiration. And if I do this week expiration, a Friday expiration is almost like it's 0 DTE to me. But buying next Monday, Wednesday, Friday for me, that's kind of where my sweet spot is. Before we had this really high VIX and all craziness, most of the time, 2 to 3 weeks is my average that I'm looking for most of my options.
The other thing too is when you go further out, you don't have the decay as much, and they don't run away from you. Like if you're in 0 DTs and they're directional, they go the other way. They're going to zero fast because the gamma risk is so high on the short dated stuff. But like, if you're new to options, to take the stress out of it, I wouldn't even try to day trade them. I would look at go out, you know, if you want to start getting into the premium selling game, which is I suggest if you're new, that's what you start to do, and look for stuff that has high IV rank and go 35, 45 DT, you know, sell put spreads, you know, or sell call spreads. Start with that. That's way easier to manage. It's defined risk, and it'll help you, you know, not get so caught up in the psychology.
I see Game of Stocks. I see your comment on Clear Edge. I don't know if KC wants to comment on it. Jordan is really the resident deep user of it around us, at least. So like I would much rather him speak to it. But it's all about, I mean, the software is incredible to be able to run strategies, and then the strategies themselves are, you know, there's a bunch of choices and different ones, different people. You can have your own, I think, coded into it, but it's the software is second to none as far as executing the automated strategies. It's just a matter of finding the automated strategies within there that you like. And you know what the win rates are. You can, you know, adjust the sizing, all that stuff. I know Jordan uses them very religiously. A lot of people in the chat use them. I know KC was getting set up on it the other day. But and plus I know all those guys personally. They're really good traders, really smart guys, and very stand-up guys as well. There you go. You got Jordan says he's running Clear Edge on 5 accounts, 10 out of 10. I know Tommy's been, yeah, there's Tommy right there, been running it. The Clear Edge Discord is it's a free Discord that you can go in there and ask questions, get, you know, other people that are using it, kind of a community. It's a great place on it too. But, you know, from everything I've seen, it looks amazing. I personally have not like set up all my stuff on it, but I've got 97 things going, too many irons in the fire right now. And honestly, probably need to take some of the ones I have and just put them on automation over there and leave them alone. But yeah, just Matt, you've been day trading for 1 year. I mean, I don't know where you're at, but I would love if you like found a trading style that kind of fits you the most and kind of lean into learning that one. You know, if it's like how KC trades, for example, or something like that, you know, kind of lean into it, you know, go from year 1 to year 2. And, you know, because like with options, one of the hardest things is the, you know, strike selection, the timing of it, stuff like that as well. I mean, that's almost half the battle. And that's something I know that KC does very well on. And not only does it well, explains it well. Now, he's not posting 800% winners all the time, but he's consistently posting wins. That's what really matters. Because you're going to see too much of the other online.
Yeah, sorry to disappoint you. I don't catch multiple 500 to 1,000% trades.
All day, every day. Did y'all call it the Apple headline a while ago? I was grabbing a drink, put my food up. Apple delays smart home display launch as it waits for new AI features.
I saw that.
Yeah, it's this was about 10-15 minutes ago, but I just wanted to make sure.
Like, well, run up. Here we go.
Ran out of juice and 100 lot just stomped on top of this right here. I just watched it chase it down on the tongue.
Well, here goes oil over 95 now.
I have an order at 95.5 to trim. I'm waiting to see if it's going to hit.
There, just hit that 50 or keep going. What do we got here?
He said one day you'll get there, Casey.
Probably not.
No, that's
Go,
fine.
rip it
But
up.
Jay Newt did shout us out earlier with a little thank you, and I just want to shout him out because I saw the gains that he posted today. Amazing job. Casey wasn't here when I originally said that earlier, but you probably saw it in the notifications.
Nvidia's getting rugged a little bit.
Yeah, it's
Well, a
seen
little
it
bit.
across
It's-
a lot of it. I've seen it across
Yeah.
the board though. This 15-minute candle might engulf here. Yeah.
Ooh, look at your 10-minute. That's the evening star. Sell signal starting. You got 1 minute left.
Silver
on
and gold just ripped.
gold.
Interesting.
Oh, they are climbing up a little bit.
Tesla doesn't care. But Nvidia definitely pulling back. Yeah, most of your Mag 7s are. Google's okay. Scanning through.
Oh wait, are they going to close out my trade because oil stops in like 45 seconds?
No, it keeps trading. It's just they settle the I think they actually already they already settled WTI. I
did.
don't know about Brent.
Oh, whoa, that's weird. My P&L's moving up there, but not down here. Oh, wait, now it's moving. There we go. Wait, what's going on? I don't fucking know.
I got so much chips, I swear they call me Hewlett Packard.
I'm up $900 on this long.
I feel
I
like
got
if we
so
get,
much chips, you can have a
clear
bag
skies
of your
here, pump it, let's go, pump it up.
Oh, 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3.
Hit him with the
2.
pump.
I sold 2 just in case some fuckery happens.
Go.
I don't
Go through 55.
know.
Oh, no. Do it.
No, I'm gonna move a stop to end.
Apparently, there's an increase in attacks going on right now. Macro headline.
Run
We're
it up
almost there, Will.
If it gets through 55, it's going to blast higher. Probably goes to
Wait.
96.
Oh, I'm really close. I'm about to pass.
We just need a ripper candle to the upside. Come on. Oh, there we go. Go. Go to 96.
Oh,
There's a trim.
The
You
heck
trim a
did I just
55.
kill? Oh my god. I left the fucking sell order on crude up here.
Get out of it.
95.48.
let's go USO. It just hit the midpoint of that order block. Come on, just
It just hit that 55. Though. That's what I was trying to short earlier. That's going to run. Go to 96.
dude. I hope so. I have 2 left.
I have 3 on. I trimmed. I'm long from 70. 73. But I'm also I got a pairs trade going with short ES from
Does
25.
is that just like a dip for power hour and then we just close at the highs and just
Probably.
put in an absolute hammer?
Yeah, let's
Dude,
look
the daily candle is freaking wild.
Well, and just imagine if this goes up and closes at the high, it is a full on hammer.
Yeah, I'm swinging long.
Hammer either way, but
So we'll see how that goes.
I sold some. I still got longer dated puts, but I sold a bunch of SPX puts this morning. Dude, there was so much juice down there. You could have sold the 6,500s. There was tons of them.
I wanted to see if UPS could get back above 99.50 before close to try and swing long. I don't think it will. I'm long Pepsi. Go look at that daily chart. That one's looking good.
which one?
Pepsi. Having a good day.
Yeah. Okay. Coca-Cola with a little interesting candle. Okay. All right.
Where's Walmart? Flat.
Don't worry about Walmart, okay?
I just wanted to see if it was green today.
You know, just doing its part, hanging out. Costco looks interesting.
Me? Just hanging around.
Who, me? Nothing. Just hanging around.
Go. I want this older to shoot to like 96.
Look at this
I don't think
cowboy
I'm going to
candle
trim
today.
these last two. I think I'm just going to trail a stop.
Yeah, I like trail
Until,
stops.
until it funds the accounts, until they're funded. I'm not going to trim. I'm just going to
No.
keep trailing it.
Stop playing with us. Just go to 96 and get up there.
So it's either stop me out small in profit or a big win to get funded.
You're gonna blast them right here. Ready, go.
Dude.
Oh, they're getting rejection at that 55.
Well, here's the thing. You're trading against Scott Bessent right now. He's just standing on top of you. I just want you to...
He's just
The
smashing
U.S.
the big-
Treasury is just selling right and left right now, just shorting the crap out of futures. That is not confirmed, but I'm the way they were talking, I think that's literally what they're going to do.
I'm just looking for 50 cents. That's all I want. I don't think we're gonna get it though. They just stuffed it right at 95 again, or I mean 55.
Bloom Energy is still up 10%. Looking good.
You
It's crazy
They
that
did.
that one sold off because of that Oracle headline on Friday, and
they
then
backed up.
they came out and said that basically was not a legitimate headline. Oracle even put out some kind of like actual public tweet or post or something today. Cameron is short Eli Lilly. Rizzo sounds like he's on a G6 right now.
You hear it?
Like a G.
Yeah. You know, it's funny. You thought you were buying like an NVIDIA GeForce. You got a G6 instead. On an NVIDIA airplane.
Nice little 50 tick trade on crude there.
What's the stat if opening bar stats as far as closing below previous days? So, like on NQ, technically your first hour was red. So closing above here is actually not probable, but you did break the IB high. You did fill the gap and get back to yesterday's range. Those were the main things we were watching for this morning. Based on everything that's played out, which the gap fill was not like a highly likely thing. So the fact that SPX never did is kind of fine with me, or yes. I mean, it was close enough. But I mean, based on the normal statistics, like chop in here is what makes the most sense the rest of the day. But I don't know. It's kind of looking like it wants to roll over a bit here. And I just look across like the big names, current price action and stuff. Wouldn't be surprised to see us close right here. Or come in like just a little bit. Back to IB high maybe. I don't know. The main thing is you need oil. You need oil to go down. Really, for the market
And
to
it's
go up.
looking like it wants to go back up. At least just intraday here. It's at a big spot right here.
Microsoft's the one that looks the most concerning here.
Just saw some flow come in a little bit ago, but I didn't like the chart.
Well, so here's the thing. Microsoft just got stuck here like multiple days in a row, and today just back to gap fill and previous day's low, big rejection, and then it's a little H pattern off of that. It looks like it wants to come back down here. Just intraday. Tesla's still decently strong. Nvidia, I mean 180, this area, hard area, but still higher lows. Meta's doing nothing. Google's still pretty strong up here at the highs. Amazon's kind of got a slight fade, but it's fine. What the hell do you even do with Apple? This is nothing. Broadcom, your strongest name from this morning, just kind of cooling off a little bit into the close. It's fine. It's up 3.5%. What do you expect? Banks still struggling a little bit. Let's see. Semi's still near the high is good, so. See what happens. Eli Lilly, I hadn't looked at Eli Lilly. That's what I was going to look at. I mean, that could be a back test. For a short. Kind of has that inverse like Adam and Eve from back in the day. Or just... Or it does like the inverse kind of cup and handle. What does everyone think of President? I think, and he said this in his post that he's got like a bunch of other things to do today or something. Let me see. Let me read that post again. Many important meetings and phone calls taking place today while I'm at Trump National Doral in Miami. Additionally, I'll be going to Speaker Mike Johnson's, who's doing a fantastic job fundraising event at 4 p.m. And then prior to leaving for DC, I will hold a news conference from a Doral ballroom at approximately 5:30 p.m. Thank you for your attention to this matter. So, I mean, who knows what he's going to say? I mean, obviously we know what the subjects are probably going to be. The timing of it, I don't think you read into any of that just because he's got 97 things going on throughout the day and then an event from 4 to 5 or whatever. So, yeah, he might talk about the Iranian soccer players. I don't know. That was an actual headline earlier. Casey, is this a textbook Morningstar reversal on IWM? Around 150. Let me go to IWM.
Kind of.
What time frame? Because I don't.
The 5 minute. It's
I mean,
it's the one with the inverted hammer right there.
Yeah, so I do look on the 5 minute. This right here is like a kind of reversal type of pattern. When you have a down candle, you have this is buyers trying to push it up and getting pushed back down, and then this is buyers pushing up into those same sellers and succeeding.
Yeah.
That's how you read those 3 candles.
So what's kind of cool about that one is the reason why I'm not a huge inverted hammer person, but it depends in where it's formed at. So I imagine EMP probably has on the same settings maybe that I do, but the inverted hammer there in the middle of the IWM 5 minute, it closes green because at some point in time, the price action did push up higher off that support, obviously where it retested at, but then sellers pushed it back down, right? But when they pushed it back down within that 5 minute time frame, the candlestick closed higher than the previous red candle. So that's the reason why it closes green. So it's like there was strength to start it. There was weakness afterwards pushing it back down, but it did close higher than the previous candle. And then you get the follow through on the next one. So for me personally, I think a textbook Morningstar is going to be one of 2 things. It's going to be either a hammer candle or it's going to be a doji candle. I want it to be somewhat more
neutral to bullish, which that inverted hammer it can be. The only thing, the difference is the selling pressure that's on it. But if you look at like the QQQ 5-minute chart at high of day, that is a textbook almost evening star. It's a big green candle. It's an indecision neutral doji candle, and then a big red candle afterwards. Or that's kind of what I want to see. Or you want to see a shooting star, or you want to see the green hammer, depending on if you're looking for upside or downside.
Oil got stuffed right up there. I mean, the bigger picture, best case scenario would be to see continued bounce here. I see what Casey was talking about. Like, if you go to the 10-minute, I mean, you see these candles getting smaller, and then like this right here, it's not like an exact morning star, but it basically is. When this candle comes up and breaks above these two, it's not a morning star, but it's a reversal pattern. 15-minute is pretty similar. I mean, you basically have it just because it didn't time out perfectly, but you basically have this, and then you have kind of a doji indecision candle, and then you have a huge candle back up. So it's like, I don't know if textbook is the word, but it's pretty, I mean, it's a good eye to spot stuff like this just in general. And the reason being is, like, not everything is going to look textbook, but if you can understand what's happening within price action by reading the candles, you'll understand that what a morning star is doing is essentially the same thing that you saw right here. I wonder if you go to like if you went to like a 6-minute or like a 8-minute, it probably does look like one, to be honest.
If you want to see what, in my opinion, a textbook evening star or morning star is, go to SPY 10-minute chart. It recently just formed one. And if you like textbook, I would say that is textbook right there. So that right there is a big body green candle on the left, a big body red candle on the right to match with a neutral neutral indecision doji right there in the middle. If you want to go textbook, like when you read the Candlestick Bible that's back over here on my desk, that's what that shit's going to look like. And then if you flip it upside down, that's your morning star. That is what textbook says. But obviously, like, and not every candlestick is going to be looking like a textbook. Sometimes your hammer candles can have a small wick on top, or maybe not long enough wick on the bottom. Same thing with shooting star. Sometimes your green candle and your red candle for these can be a little bit wonky. One can be higher or lower than the other. You also have to take into consideration in where the candlestick is forming at. Most of these you want to look for at the top or bottom of trends because they can indicate a potential reversal for a lower risk, higher reward trade entry. So in the middle of a range, in the middle of chop, do I really want to take, a trade based off of a candlestick pattern? Probably not. I want to look at something like QQQ 5-minute chart, where high of day it printed it. And literally, if it goes above where that candlestick just formed at the highest point of the day, then I'm good. And then my reward is all of previous price action downside, and Qs fell from 601.75 all the way down to 598. So it really comes down to honestly just your preference. I'm a little bit picky when it comes to evening stars and morning stars. I want them to look a certain way, and again, they have to be in a specific area as well whenever they form, to make me feel comfortable to take them.
Whoa.
Oh, is another trim on crude?
We're
Hold on. What's the headline? Oil just got smoked.
Mm-hmm.
There's a headline out here somewhere. Oh, they want to make me long this for the highs.
IWM just made a new high today.
IWM just hit 250 to the penny. What is the headline? I
don't see anything.
There's something going on. It's just not hit the wire yet. What the hell?
Did we top tick that crude short? 95.48? Not exactly top tick, but close enough.
We have expanded strikes on military infrastructure in Iran. It's from IDF. Former Ravens tight end Charlie Kolar is signing a 3. No, that's not what we want. I love how I follow Schefter and I see like all his stock market news, and then I see like Titans are signing former Broncos DN John Franklin Myers.
Can we just get a headline that like sticks? And
Few
actually,
senior officials in Israel are starting to voice concern about the escalating open-ended attack on Iran and suggesting possible exit ramps that might halt the war before it further damages the region and the global economy.
give
I'm
us
still not
something
seeing this.
that moves and sticks.
I'm still not seeing this hit like the regular wires though, but I think this is about to launch. I'm chasing it.
There we go. There's another trim on.
I'll say chase
Oil,
the long
yeah,
because I
oil's
chased the
crushed.
short on oil.
Trump something at CBS.
Fucking do this thing, baby. Let's get funded.
Yeah,
I don't
I
know
just
which
shorted
one's
at the
which
lows.
head.
Probably a bad move, but
I just long. Oh, boom!
Come on.
whoa,
Will, you should have chased it.
There's
What a
another
long.
trigger on NQ into the 80s.
I'm going to send this screenshot here in a second. Hold on.
Dude, I just.
I don't even know if I'm up or down. Oh no!
Look
Oh
at
my
this.
god! I reversed it on accident. That's
Alright,
2,500.
Might work out for you. Will.
Are you funded? Tell me you're funded.
Look. I'm going to tag you in the Discord. Look.
Dude. Dude, wow.
Oh, shit. Oh.
I didn't get that
What
much.
the
I was late. I
fuck?
was eating. I missed the candle. Like an
Look at
idiot.
NQ.
From some
Oh my God,
Oh. Holy shit.
Well, I just said I'm chasing it. It ripped 100 points immediately. Trump said the war could be over soon on a phone interview with CBS.
Take one more NQ off for 200 points. there.
Holy shit.
God, why was I eating? I'm such an idiot. I only got a piece
There's
of
your
that
taco.
meal,
What?
but
Why'd I go to lunch?
I was starving. I'm like, I gotta eat something.
Oh my gosh, are we gonna see 900 NQ?
Yeah, probably.
Holy
Balance point of control.
shit.
Give it to me. I'll take full exit there.
Of course, oils.
We are very far ahead of the 4 to 5 week timeline, is what he just said.
You know,
Oh my gosh.
Dude, the spy runner's at 470.
do you keep short in oil here in the hole?
Yes. Until funded.
I know. I'm
Oil's about to go red.
up, so I don't.
My freaking headphones are dying at the wrong time.
Oh my god! I
Holy
just cleaned
shit.
Another 400. I'm halfway.
Oil just went
funded.
red.
Oh my god!
So,
Well, I'm. No fucking way. Hold on. This is stupid. Come on. Come on. Oh.
I know now it's the bounce. I mean, whatever on this account I got it to 2,800, so I got to get them halfway there. Be careful. Oh my god, that was wild. I gotta close some other accounts of my actual real ones.
Holy shit.
Taco Trump.
Oh, buddy.
You funded?
What an amazing time for a headline.
Oh my god, I'm not super happy about it. But
Damn,
I'll
I
take
told
it.
you guys could with a short at 95.5.
Yep. It's still going, still drilling.
Oh my god.
Well, yeah, you and Scott Bessent both told me it was a short.
Wow. Well, my 350 calls are now marking up 80%, so that was a good sell.
All right, I'm flat.
Oh my
Two,
god, SPY.
50 points.
Wow.
It's enough to 900. All right.
Dude, they're still drilling. They keep it going. Just keeps. God, I want to sell these upticks.
You know when there's 1,200 people in a space last night talking about oil's going to 150, you know the
Oh,
top
yeah.
is in.
For sure. That was absolute facts.
Oh,
Hey, nice pop on Pepsi. Ooh, MRK too.
I
Yeah.
made an extra $500 per account on this pop, so thank you very much. That's why it's worth sitting here all day sometimes.
Yeah,
Just
for
stay here
headlines like that.
Sit here for 6 hours, make the extra $500 per account. I used to sit at a job and do nothing for 6 hours and not make that much.
Be careful.
Everyone's back bullish. I was bullish right out of the gate, baby.
You could lose the
Could
year's
have been long
salary.
oil right there.
Goes well back to the upside. Yeah, just set it there. 1 second.
Will,
You never lose money, you're just down.
I came within $300. I gotta hit one more.
That is a good quote. I'm green on the month now after having a rough week last week.
Oh, let's go. Yep, 1,300% on SPY calls. Let's fucking go.
Oh my god, I caught a piece of it. Now I got FOMO. I don't want to chase it. I hate you, oil. God, one day. I was one day early on this whole thing.
I reshorted.
I know, I'm a little nervous,
Just
but I
know
think it's the
who-
right move.
Why
Yeah.
is he just
Do it. I'm
talking
gonna-
to CBS? He just
I'm just going to blast this account. Who cares? 10 contracts. Let's go.
Holy
The
shit.
U.S. is very far ahead of the 4 to 5 week time frame. I think the Iran war is very complete,
There
pretty
we go.
much.
Let's fill it for another 1,000. All right, I'm at 3,200. I'm getting closer.
I'm at 11,600.
aren't
So you
just
passed
limit. You just limit long.
No, divided by 2.
Oh, so 50. Oh, man.
We're about to take out Friday's high, guys, and y'all are over there trading oil.
Hey, I've been long since 9:45 this morning.
I've been long since 9:45 last night.
I know. You were like the only one who wanted to long this thing with me last night.
Dude, I held through. I was about 15, 20 points.
I'm
not
actually
stopping out.
thinking about closing my SPY here, to be honest with you. But then again, these are
He said
for.
that the other day, though, too. It's honestly the same headline. He said that they were ahead of the war on Friday. We're way ahead of schedule, he said. Scott Bessent is out here shorting oil. Oh, there's the move.
Oh my god, it's go!
Holy
Oh, I
shit.
forgot my swing.
I don't even know what to do.
Oh my god, I'm up almost 800.
Contracts at 550. Oh my god. I'm about to close. I'm about to. No. Oh, look at that reshort on oil. Oh!
Yeah, it was a bear flag. Are you in? I didn't read
Yeah,
that.
12 grand, baby. Woo!
The short is huge.
Holy
Fucking stupid.
dude, look at this. Go look at your daily candle. It's called bullish engulfing, boys and girls.
Yep, it is indeeders. That is wild. I'll close this out and then I'm gonna reassess.
Holy shit. Will, you ready for this? Look, we're good.
Yeah. Oh my god, it's still going?
I know.
Whoa.
I got back in real quick with 2 contracts and I just covered.
I should. God, I said it too. I was like, it's gonna be a bear flag.
Oh, look
Dude,
at oil.
we are flying.
Look at
Shorts
oil.
are
Oh,
shorts are
shit.
headed for the hills.
Yeah. See you
800
later.
Oh.
points on my swing from last night.
And we did it, guys. We did a 1-day pass on 2 100K accounts live here on oil, making exactly just about $13,000 across the board. Whoa!
I don't think it's done. I think it's gonna rug some more. One more retrace and then a rug.
This is dumb.
Oh my god, I should. God, I was short that flag. Could have passed it. I was close.
Will, go look at the
Just about
Discord.
Friday's low on oil.
Wow.
Yes, sir. Add 2 more accounts to the list, baby.
Like, where does this stop? Now oil's not. Dude, it's a 40% reversal.
Spy, dude, the 680s that I bought, it's gonna go in the fucking money. I just closed the last one. Look at IWM. Let me guess. Everyone is now gonna be like, market's going back to 700.
Dude, oil's just getting crazier. I'm full porting it short right here again. Screw it.
Bro.
Don't crush me.
What a boy! The night and day difference from from 10 p.m. last night to now. Holy!
Jesus Christ. Can I trim my other positions on Pepsi and MRK yet? Are those like green enough to trim, or where are those at?
Oh my God!
Oh, MRK's at 295.
Come on, oil. Don't go back up. No.
There was a little follow-up headline that just came out there.
All right, now we're really done for the day.
What? You're done? You're not buying this dip?
No. No.
Oh.
Maybe we can risk 100 points.
Oh, got it. I almost got it. Oh, I got it. Cleared. Passed
Did you
it.
get it?
Passed it. I just did like.
Let's
oh, no,
go!
Yes.
What a freaking day!
How come my equity only? Oh, must have been too much commissions. No way.
Yeah. That's why I had to take
close.
it that's why I had to take another short right there real quick. Because after it hit target on it, I was still short, like very small, and I was like, fuck.
I'm at 47.77, but the equity says
literally-
106.
I need to make like a few extra bucks, and then that knife candle came in, and it was like $1,000. I was like, okay, that works.
God, oil's down 2.5% after being up 30.
so crazy.
Oh my God.
That was absolutely so crazy. I kind of want to hit it again, but I was just doing like 10 lots, just flashing them in there. That was nuts.
Righty, well, 5,000 points on the day. I think we just call it.
Yeah, probably Rizzo. I think so.
He's come back from last week.
Oh my god.
Let's just hope we don't fuck it up the rest of the week. I will be happy.
What did I say? If we reclaim 700, we rotate to 25K. Look where we're at.
Just short 25K again.
Oh, oil lower again.
Dude, you socialist.
Oh no, I'm frozen. Oh my god, I have no idea what this is gonna do.
Holy oil, Jesus Christ. I mean, I can't really stay in the short. The account's funded. It wouldn't freaking matter.
Go activate it.
Yeah.
Reshort.
I know, right? I'm tempted to. I'm like, do I just go freaking activate this thing real quick? And
They halted it?
they halted it downside.
Is it oil halted?
No,
Is the entire market halted or just
Or
oil?
it's frozen.
the spread's moving.
I can't like the price just stopped moving.
Yeah.
They're not letting me trade it.
I can't believe I caught. I'm so mad.
What about USO still moving, but oil futures are halted?
The bid's moving lower.
Yeah, USO still going lower.
It's 85 now. Oil. Remember, oil was going to four. Somebody told me I was going to get called away at 400 last night. I'm not kidding. I was like, okay, bro. Have a nice day. Well, that was.
All right.
God damn it, Casey.
For the ones watching the live stream here, if you want to see the screenshots that I was talking about sending in Discord to Will, you can go see it on X. Again, bought those two 100K accounts here live during the stream. You'll see the profits right there, around $6,500 per account. What the fuck?
CL. The ticker for oil is CL for futures.
Yep. Crude light.
Jesus
So,
Christ, dude.
There, it just unhalted.
Yep, there it is, 85.
85.
Yep. Long it.
I don't
Long
know,
it.
dude. No, short it back against 87, I think.
This shit's probably gonna freaking just gap down right now. What we
Dude,
got?
it's down 10%. It was up 30. It's a 40% intraday move. It's insane.
Look at the daily candle on USO. Look at that huge bearish engulfing. The gap takes it down under 100. It takes it to
Flash it up one time so I can hit
98.83.
it again.
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
Ooh,
So
Pepsi.
you
Can I
still short
trim
oil?
that?
Am I?
Me?
No.
Motherfucker.
Ooh, I'm taking a trim on Pepsi. Gave this one out free here on the live stream as well. There we go. Ooh, nice candle.
Do you see where I covered my crude?
Where'd you cover crude at?
I covered the last one up at
I see it.
92s.
Dude, they're going to push it to the 70s, bro. What? the-
Holy
Covered
shit!
it at 92s.
I'm sick. Damn it. Please go back to 87 so I can smash it again.
Yo, 15. What'd I say earlier?
Dang! Go!
He was right. Rizzo 50.
15 before 150.
Wait, all right.
150
So
PM.
Will, now
Yeah.
that I have these two other funded accounts, do I continue to trade oil?
I mean, I don't know. Did you activate them?
No, I haven't activated them yet.
I feel like if I get
If
back
I activate them right
$4
now,
on
I'm gonna fucking trade them. If I activate them right now.
I feel like honestly, I'm just gonna throw this out there. I don't think these are gonna be the low. I think oil goes back up. They're gonna come out and be like, "Oh, we're just kidding. We're gonna launch some more missiles tonight." They'll be back over 100.
We hit 25K to the dot, didn't we?
Holy dude, Spy
I
680s
just broke
might
it.
go in the money.
IDF
like-
identified missiles launched from Iran towards Israel. That was just now.
Yeah, I look. It's been how long that we've it's over a year of Trump at this point. If you haven't like somewhat caught on to the playbook to
Yeah.
at least be ready for it, like I don't know what to tell you.
Oh, there it is. No fucking way.
They're gonna dip into the 70s. Dude.
We are
Dude, I'm gonna
pumping,
hit
pumping.
1,000 points on this swing trade.
We are freaking pumping. I'm gonna trim MRK. See if they can fill me here. Filled at 305. Jesus.
If you're trading oil, please be very careful. If you trade,
Yeah.
look, CL is $100 per tick.
Per tick. No, $10 per tick. $100
Oh
point.
my
every 10
God.
cents. It's $1,000 per dollar.
Yeah, there you go. 1,000 per dollar. That's what I meant.
Which is
Please
huge.
type in MCL. Please type in MCL if you are going to go
Yeah.
trade this for the first time.
Dude, and to think I reshorted it recently right there at 92.45 and this thing's at 81.
I know.
What
I was
the
like-
fuck, dude? Why can't I should have just went over to my live accounts and just fucking started full porting everything.
Yeah.
It's
I've been
still
there.
looking like it wants to die.
Been there before. Dude, this candle is gonna be so nasty on the daily for both oil and for bro, it's gonna be crazy.
Ooh, Pepsi. Yes. Go.
I'm so
Rip
mad
into
at
the
it.
close, baby. Rip into the close. Yeah. W's in the motherfucking chat.
There goes all the calls in oil. Toasted. Anybody that was selling me those calls, thank you last night. Thank you very much.
Pretty sure I longed near the fucking bottom today.
Dude, they just absolutely just murdered the premium in there. Oh, too funny.
This was so stupid.
Oh, big candle the upside. I want to short it again. I'm gonna hit it one more time. Try
it. I'm not
Hit it. I'm gonna hit it right against this gap.
gap.
86.50. Come on.
No
Just for a little
fucking
scalpy
way.
scalp. I'm gonna layer them in there. Go get me. Come on. Come in there. Here we go. Oh, come on. Come on. Go. No, don't stop there.
There's like a gap on my chart right up here.
Fill me. Oh, did I pass it?
Jeez.
Oh, close.
SoFi.
Should we
Nice.
be degenerate on crude right now?
Yeah, I'm such a degenerate. Oh my god, I need another.
Oh my god. I just shorted a 10 lot.
Yeah.
Covering.
Who's clicking? Who is clicking right
That's
now?
both of us.
Covering.
I hit it right in that gap.
Supposedly somebody who is fucking way oversized.
God, it's just so big, I get scared. Like it's moving so
That's what
fast.
she
Yeah.
said.
Point move.
It's like an NDX put made $500 in 5 seconds. Let's go.
Watch, they're gonna come out and say, "Just kidding." Oil. Watch, they rip oil back up like $15.
God. We just hit a daily level on Qs. This is the high from. Where is this level from? Where the fuck is this level from? Oh, this is the high from Tuesday, February 24th. I was like, why do I have a daily level right here?
There is that argument to be made, Will.
What's that?
When Trump comes out and says something like this,
Fade it.
could mean he's gonna just absolutely double down tonight on the attacks.
I know. And I think oil goes higher. The market probably is a fade. I hate to say it. Dude, what can you swing puts for tomorrow just like way out of the money just in case? because they could totally rug everybody. Or Iran could say we're going to blow up everything, and we don't care what Trump says. Like, we're fighting to the death. Like, you just go buy the 600 puts for tomorrow. Just who knows? They're only $1.50. I don't know. I think we'll just have to trade all night. You guys want to get some bangs and just like all night trade? I like it.
Dude, how's this for a tweet? Breaking news: Scott Bessent just cut the national debt down by 25% with his massive oil short.
Here, they're pushing it back up. I want to slap it again, really. I need 600 to clear it. I'm just afraid it's going to rip my face off and I'm going to blow it all back. This is probably the spot, though, to hit it. Like 87.20.
Well, look at that previous day's low.
I'm not going to push my luck again. That 10 miles.
Yeah. I'm done. I'm ordering a golf cart right now, actually. Shit, if I would have done that freaking trade on the live account, I would have paid for the golf cart.
Yeah, no kidding. But it could also been in the golf cart that I was riding in on Sunday night. It wasn't very fun. It's fun. It's much more fun now.
What a day.
I literally sat there at the highs and I'm going, God, should I short like a 5 lot of just CL and just, if it nukes my account, it nukes me. If it goes to 150, whatever.
Dude, first day trading oil, and I got 2 accounts funded by making $13,000 in like an hour. Hell yeah! I'm gonna start trading oil.
Dude,
more.
oil does not move like that, Casey.
This
like,
is not a normal.
I know. I know.
Dude, you're talking about like a $40 range intraday. Like, it's absurd. Oil usually trades like 30-40 cents a day sometimes.
But that's what we were talking about last night. I was like, the way I feel like oil's moving right now is the same thing how gold was moving a while ago. Like it was
silver.
Like the way gold and silver were moving, it was a freaking anomaly. That shit doesn't happen. And I was like, I feel like oil's now gonna start acting and doing the same thing.
I said it's gonna be like silver. That's what I said last night. I said we're gonna have one of those days. I just didn't think it was gonna be today.
Secretary for the Interior.
Crocodile
Bergam oil
alligator.
price increase to be temporary. There's lots of oil in the U.S.
Interior crocodile alligator. I drive a Chevrolet movie theater.
So the move last night was the
Oh
full
no,
court.
Chuck, no.
Here, I sent this, Casey. I'm gonna show you. This is what I sent Emp last night. A screenshot. I said I really want to do this trade. I think I'm crazy, but I kind of want to do it. And it was right. Where is it? This one. Here it is. Casey, this is what I want to do last night. Oops. That was a trade I sent. I don't know what time it was, but that was when it was. That was on the May contract. You sell 100 of the 300 calls for 40 cents. You know what they're marking for right now?
Holy shit, 32%
I
drop.
don't even want to know.
They're marking for 9 cents. You'd have been up 30 grand on that trade.
Oh shit.
Obviously, if it goes to 300, you'd be cooked. That's a lot of margin, though, to do that. Like, a lot. Unreal. I think we just settle in, like, in this area, or we rug it further? I think they're going to just...
I mean, we're above previous day high right now on Qs, and
I meant oil. I wasn't saying that. Yeah.
Oil. I don't know.
Dude, this is. I mean, how do you not look at this daily and want to be long?
How crazy it would have been if we golfed last week
That's so nuts.
We almost did.
in one day.
Yeah, you know what though? The problem is this. We don't know what Iran's gonna say later, so I don't want to do anything.
No,
I am just gonna wait
But does
because, like,
anyone
if they,
care what they say? They're like, they don't hold any cards here?
yeah, maybe I don't know.
Speaking later, no?
Yeah, 5:30
Couple hours.
Eastern.
By the time he's gonna get up on stage, we're gonna have boots on the ground and they're gonna be done with their mission coming home or some bullshit.
Dude.
Dude, look at IWM right back to the bottom of the zone, like
What
at
is it? It's up-
254.
Yeah, it's up $10 today for IWM.
Wow, right off the.
Fucking what a fun way to start the week. Just got 2 new accounts funded. We fucked up SPY and longs earlier this morning. Got 2 other trades on that are green. This was a fun day.
All right, I think it's decided buying 800 tonight. Actually,
I
Had
770s
time of my life.
if we get it.
Never felt this way before.
4.
And I
I mean,
swear.
like, you also ran up into where you
Am I?
probably could be shorting.
And I owe it all to
I know.
you.
I don't wanna do anything yet.
Dirty bitch.
I think I'm thinking about
You
having
dirty
to trade
bitch.
tonight. I'm not going to trade tonight.
I think we just wait. Honestly, I think it's a better move. I feel like this is gonna suck everybody in, and then it ain't gonna be over.
I think I'm on the other side. I think you're going to get some type of shallow dip and it's going to just fly.
Yeah,
At least for the next couple days. And then it'll come back in and you find out if it holds.
no touchy for me. I'm gonna go grab dinner, get some drinks, and
How much you make, Rizzo?
Dirty bitch.
5,000 points at NQ.
Jesus
God.
Christ.
Oh my god, I don't even know how to do that math. Times 20.
Yeah, just times 20. It's 20 times 5.
I like how you look at it in points.
Yeah, no, I
Well, it's more realistic for people to read it that way too.
I know.
Attaches the
I
emotion a
read
little
too.
bit.
Just a short 6-figure day. Did you get it? Did you have a good one in oil? I hope.
yeah. Where's my CL chart? Crude, I did 19 points. But I only played it pretty small.
$19 or nine? Yeah, $19. Okay, gotcha.
Insane.
Not ticks for the audience. Well, that was just absolutely nuts.
DP, I'll just say it this way. I was long before that. And when I saw 24006 last night, I sent a message to Will, said I was probably gonna have to wire some money to the account.
Yeah, he did too. That's a fact.
Hey, this goes much lower. Be
I
making
was
a deposit
I was
tomorrow.
like, man, dude, if they take oil north of 120, like it's gonna get dicey. And then that headline came out on Saudi Arabia, and then oil started dropping, and the market started to reverse.
It's like I know people refuse to believe it, but there's one thing that the current administration, I don't care if you like them, I don't really care for either way. I didn't even vote. I don't even live in the country. That there's one thing, no matter what you think, that the administration cares about more than everything, and it's the stock market.
Facts.
And that is not debatable. USO puts. Oh, dude, what did USO do? I didn't even pull up USO.
I don't know. It had to be so bad. Completely
Oh my
rugged.
god! Look at
Yeah,
this.
look at the
golfer.
daily candle. Full on golf.
Holy!
Still a gap to fill below too if it wants to trickle down tonight or tomorrow. Dude, the daily candle thing's fucking insane.
Well, I said it last night. Casey, I said, listen, we are going to have a day where oil rugs 20, 30%. I
Let's
just didn't think it was
go!
gonna be-
32% high to
Hey.
low.
All I had to do was say fuck it and get 2 accounts to do it, and the market
Hey,
was
you
like,
know-
bet.
Hold on.
I did
before we
think it was
close,
today.
I think you can short the energy names. I really do.
I'm waiting
Yeah.
for the energy short. Yeah,
I think you can short
like it.
XLE. I think you can short them. Probably get crushed.
I think we're gonna see a lot more headlines tonight. So
Yeah, I mean, you could. I
you can
just
swing small, but
the way like anytime things get too wild, where everyone all of a sudden is just completely doubting, and they start throwing in like when the unrealistic stuff starts sounding believable, that's when you get ready to fade.
Yes.
And last night,
War's
you
over. Nope.
had that.
Tonight they're gonna go hit like 4 pipelines. All's gonna be back at 110. And everybody with short's gonna wish they would have covered.
Yeah, I mean anything is possible, but the probable thing now is kind of showing its face, in my humble opinion.
You know, there's one thing that we didn't forget. Dude, the bonds though, yields just got murdered in that back half of the session too. 30-year got rugged.
Yeah, look at TLT.
TLT huge bid. I said it, Casey. What I say last night to buy at the open.
Look what the dollar just did.
TLT.
You see the dollar?
Yeah, dollar got smoked. That was the other thing I said. I said same thing. Dollar will get rugged and TLT will be bid.
Got VIX 35 to 25.
Yep. Yeah, look at the dollar. Just got absolutely bludgeoned.
look, we're just gonna sit right at previous day high, and it's like nothing. Just all the panic from over the weekend is like just nothing ever happened.
I just don't think we're out of the woods yet. It's too easy.
No, I think we're. I
It's
think
too
we can
easy to just
probably
be like, yeah, okay, everything's done. 3 week later.
just get rugged back down overnight and just come back into this range to start the session tomorrow. I hope that's not the case, but
I mean, under the surface,
In the
fundamentally,
big picture, we've gone nowhere.
yeah,
nowhere again.
You have like the one thing that you do have differently now is you have that rubber band pull from the downside. You have the short covering and the buying. That's
And a high
the one,
VIX
the
kinda
one thing that
capitulation.
yes. So that's the one thing the VIX could continue to bleed, and you could continue to have shorts covering and people coming back in that were nervous.
Yep.
I mean, things still have to continue, right? You can't just do it in one day or one headline, whatever. But like the one thing that is different, because yes, private credit, is it still an issue? Whatever, all the same things from before.
You know, negative
the new-
92,000 jobs.
Yeah, I mean that stuff's still there,
out there.
but what you do have is
particular set of skills.
in the big, a very particular set of skills. But you have a rubber band pull below.
Urban banks.
Rubber band, man. Wild as the Taliban.
Anybody want to take a lotto with me?
What do you wanna do?
9 in my right, 45.
Celsius calls.
Oh, gross.
Celsius. CELH.
Watt Bender came. Yeah, Watt Bender came on Spaces earlier. We talked about this. Come on, someone's got to take them with me.
Do you short the drone names?
think
I
we
know
take
that's
Celsius.
what are the drone names? Which ones are they?
Well, like So Ondas, and the only reason I thought of it was because of all the names that Trump mentioned the other day when they're talking about all the spend and increased stuff. He did not mention Ondas. He mentioned all the legacy ones, remember?
Yeah, that's true.
So you short
point.
whatever whichever one is not on your
Bingo
I'll,
card.
t-
I mean, was it
I'll
like
tell you what though.
RCAT?
If NQ breaks back above like 25-1, oh boy, it's gonna be blast off mode. I think
Look where we're at. I mean, like
this trend line's gonna get
to your
taken out.
Go back to your 4 hour here. I'll just turn off all. Let me just hide everything here.
All right, complete gamble lotto trade Celsius $44 call for next week at $1.45.
You get back over this because like you accepted back into all this. You rotate to the top. You break out of this.
You're going flying.
I mean, that's.
26,000. That's clear space. Call that clear skies.
I mean, you're coming right back to up here if you clear this. You clear like 24, 300, 400. You're back to 26 on NQ. On QQQ, same thing. You clear this traffic, you go to this traffic.
Yep.
625
To 629. Yeah.
We'll call it 625 would be my first spot.
Yes,
And I'm not.
problem.
What's that?
ES might be the big problem. They're still testing the
It
bulk
needs,
of
yeah,
Like
it's got to
60
get back into this.
yeah.
But here's my thesis: you weren't going to
Tech
go anywhere
leads
without
there.
tech. You needed tech to lead. Now, if tech is leading us out of the hole,
It drags the rest with it. I mean, the Russell, too. Look at the small caps right to the bottom of that base that we broke from. It actually, it makes me want to reload it short on ES. That's really what it makes me want to do. Into all this overhead supply.
there's your bell.
Right above previous day high.
What a day!
What a fun.
Good stuff. I am gonna.
That's why you take your call spreads off at 50% profit because I got ran over.
All right, Rizzo.
I will catch y'all tomorrow.
Later, Rizzo.
Yep.
All right, chat. How'd everyone do today? What a blessing on that headline. As soon as I heard that, I just started screaming. I was like, I'm chasing it. I chased it at like 740. Took it to 940.
Crazy.
Boy, that got me excited for the week. All right, well, we'll see what happens. Little programming note tomorrow. I do have to head out a little bit early, but Jordan should be here by the time I have to head out. Some of the other guys, Casey and them, should be here with you guys. Wednesday, we will not have a morning stream because I will not be here, but we'll still have the afternoon. But we'll be live tomorrow morning. Wednesday's the only day this week that we won't have a morning stream going. And we'll see what the rest of the week brings. What a amazing start to the week. What did we officially close at? 1.32% up on NASDAQ, 0.83% on the S&P. IWM up 1%. And even the Dow back 0.5%. VIX down 15.5%. Good Lord.
Janet.
Janet Yellen?
Yeah,
No.
there you go. Hey, this is Janet's dance party. Do you remember when Will Ferrell was on
Yes.
what was that? Was it Reno or whatever?
Yeah.
Way back in the day.
Oh, I can't activate the account yet. I don't know like when it settles.
Wait till it's after 5
5 p.m.
After 5 p.m.
Eastern.
when the futures close, then you can activate it.
Sweet, I'll say, because it still doesn't on the Apex website. It says I have 0 profits, still at 100K and no trades yet. So
Yeah. Janet Reno's dance off. That's what it was called. Dude, Will Ferrell on Saturday Night Live was like, I mean, I know he had some great movies and everything, but some of the peak Will Ferrell was literally Saturday Night Live back in the day.
mhm.
Viva los tacos. Hey, I'm not going to argue with you there, sir. I'll just tell you this, Chris. A lot of your Canadian neighbors are all moving down where I'm at, eating tacos every day.
Canada does have some good beer.
Dude, Canadians are cool. They're fun to
Also-
mess with because they can handle it and just kind of talk trash back to you.
Yeah, cold beer everywhere.
All right, guys, I'm going to shut this down. I'm going to go over to Stocks on Spaces for a bit. And
Oh, we got that going on.
we got
What do we
stock
do for
picks
stock picks
later
now?
this evening. We have stock picks at 5 p.m. tonight on the Wolf channel. A lot of other stuff going on all across our family of networks. Shout out to Leverage Shares for sponsoring the stream. Shout out to all of you guys tuning in. We'll be live first thing tomorrow. And of course, shout out to everyone hanging out with us. Will, KC. I don't know what happened to Jordan.
He
I told you I
got
went
rugged. He's on the
skimboarding.
beach.
He went skimboarding. That's what I guarantee it. Don't know that for sure, so I don't want to spread fake news. But
I've officially, Casey, I'm going to send you this real quick. Check this out.
all right, I got to shut down the stream, guys.
All right, later.
Make sure you like the stream,
Later.
subscribe, and we'll be live tomorrow morning. See you guys then.
Later.